Alright, let's be real. Robots aren't just coming, they're already here. And in 2025, they're cooler, smarter, and way more human than ever. From robots that can dance, think, and even comfort you when you're sad, to machines that are helping build iPhones and fold laundry like your mom wishes you would. This year's humanoid robots are wild. We're diving into the 10 most cutting-edge humanoid robots of 2025. They're fast, freaky, and freakishly smart. Let's get into it. Kicking us off is Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This robot has been through a full glow-up. It used to be known for parkour and backflips. Now, it's flexing serious brain power. In their latest demo, Atlas is sorting parts in a fake factory, using upgraded sensors and machine learning to make real-time decisions. If a part doesn't fit, Atlas recalibrates and tries again. No rage quitting, no throwing tools, just cool robot logic. And yes, it's fully autonomous. Boston Dynamics is basically saying, "Hey world, we've built the future." Next up, Ameca by Engineered Arts. This one's known as the world's most expressive humanoid robot. It blinks, it smiles, it makes eye contact, and thanks to OpenAI's GPT-4 tech, it can joke around, mimic celebrity voices, and even roast you gently. It can't walk just yet, but it's built to learn fast and evolve even faster. Plus, it has cameras in its eyes, chest, and head, watching, learning, reacting. Think of it like Siri, but with a face, sass, and a brain upgrade. Let's talk about Optimus, Tesla's big bet on the future. Elon Musk isn't just talking big, he's planning to mass-produce 500,000 Optimus bots by 2027.
It all actually applies to a humanoid robot. It's the same techniques. It's just a robot with arms and legs instead of a robot with wheels.
That's wild. Optimus is powered by Tesla's AI-4 chip, soon to be AI-5, and it's being trained to help in factories and eventually homes. It could fold your clothes, lift heavy things, or maybe even cook your dinner one day. Tesla's going all in, betting this robot will be bigger than their cars. Bold move, Elon. Say hello to Figure 02, the upgraded humanoid from Figure AI. This bot is leaner, faster, and smarter than its 2022 version. With sleeker limbs, a longer battery life, and 6 RGB cameras, it's built for logistics work. Inside, it's running on NVIDIA's powerful GPU modules, giving it triple the brain power of the last model. It's like if your warehouse worker went full sci-fi. Smooth design, high IQ, this one's made for the real world. Sliding in from China, we've got Unitree G1. Unitree is better known for building robot dogs, but their new humanoid G1? It's making waves. For just $16,000, this robot can walk, grasp, and respond to real-world challenges. It's got a visor-like face, real fingers, no stumps, and it looks less like a prototype and more like it's ready to ship. The company's been working non-stop to prep it for mass production, and yeah, it's nearly there. Now meet AstroBot S1. This robot had jaws dropping with its insane speed and smooth moves. Created by a lesser-known group under Stardust Intelligence, AstroBot S1 can move with such precision and power that it makes older bots look like clunky toys. In the world of robots folding laundry and sorting boxes, S1 moves like a pro athlete. Seriously, this bot is fast, freakishly smart, and totally next-gen. Over in Canada, Sanctuary AI is leveling up with Phoenix Gen 7. This robot is smarter, learns faster, and can now perform in-hand manipulation, aka delicate tasks like buttoning a shirt or zipping a bag. With backing from Microsoft and other giants, Sanctuary is playing the long game. Phoenix can learn jobs quicker than its older versions, and the AI behind it is training hard to make this robot more human by the day. Let's talk NEO, the heartwarming, hug-ready humanoid by 1X. This one's not just smart, it's sweet. Designed to feel less like a machine and more like a friendly assistant, NEO is about connection. It's giving robot roommate vibes, helpful, calm, and just a little cuddly. Think of it as the beginning of emotional robotics. The future isn't just efficient, it's comforting. Time to meet Alex, built by Boardwalk Robotics. This robot doesn't have legs, and that's on purpose. The creators realized that not every task needs mobility. So instead, Alex focuses on doing real chores, sorting, cleaning, and helping out with basic maintenance. It's got 19 degrees of freedom and enough strength to lift 22 pounds. It's basically the dream helper for your messy home or chaotic office. Another fresh face on the scene is HMN01, a robot from London. This bot has 41 degrees of freedom and can lift up to 33 pounds, all while running for 4 hours straight. The crazy part? Its hands move faster than yours. Designed for factory floors, HMN01 is built for real labor, and it's being positioned as the next-gen automation hero. Forget just walking, this bot is sprinting into the future of work. Let's jump into something wild, Protocone FIV1. With over 200 degrees of freedom and a skeleton driven by artificial muscles, this bot moves like no other. It's being called the first musculoskeletal humanoid robot. Inside, there are 1,000 artificial muscle fibers and 500 sensors making it move like a real person. Think high-tech cyborg, not clunky tin can. This could be the most lifelike robot we've ever seen. Now to China again with Walker S1 by UB Tech. This robot is already being used at Foxconn, the same place where iPhones are made. It's helping with sorting, quality control, and movement on the factory floor. Over 500 pre-orders have been placed for this bot, and UB Tech is rolling them out across automotive plants and smart factories in China. Robots are officially clocking in to work. Next up, Cyber1 by Xiaomi. This robot doesn't just see you, it reads your emotions. Equipped with Xiaomi's own depth vision and emotional recognition tech, Cyber1 can sense how you feel and respond with empathy. It knows if you're sad, happy, or angry, and can talk to you like a friend. Sure, it's still in the early stages, but this is emotional AI in humanoid form. Think of it like having a therapist built into your robot assistant. Finally, we've got Pudu DH1, a robotic hand that's more than just a grabber. Designed by Pudu Robotics, this 11-degree of freedom hand mimics the human grip with crazy precision. It has 12 sensing zones and 1,800 touch-sensitive points, letting it handle delicate tasks with ease. It's the next step in making robots truly dexterous and safe around humans, and it's going to be game-changing for industries that rely on fine motor skills. And to close it out, Germany's Neurorobotics just unveiled 4NE1. It irons clothes, moves boxes, and could very well be your next smart coworker. With a sleek design and serious brain power, it's already turning heads at tech conferences. As NVIDIA rolls out more tools for robotics, bots like 4NE1 are stepping into the spotlight. Robots are no longer just experiments, they're working, evolving, and ready for prime time. Robots aren't just cold, clunky machines anymore. Thanks to major tech glow-ups, they're becoming more human by the day. We're talking expressive faces, real-time emotions, natural conversations, and even body language. This whole vibe is called humanization of robots, basically giving robots human traits so we feel more comfortable interacting with them. Take Ameca, for example. She's a humanoid robot with insanely lifelike facial expressions. She smiles, frowns, reacts with surprise, and blinks just like a real person. The goal? To make robots less creepy and more relatable. It's not just about looks, though. Robots are learning to feel the room. They're being trained to read emotional cues, respond with empathy, and hold convos that don't sound like Siri from 2012. AI like ChatGPT is being integrated into robots so they can talk in a natural, flowing way. Some robots can even detect if you're stressed, sad, or confused, then adjust their tone or actions accordingly. That's humanization at work, turning robots from emotionless code blobs into socially aware assistants. But here's the twist. This shift isn't just for fun. It's actually super useful. Humanized robots are being used in therapy, elder care, customer service, and even education. If a robot looks and acts more like a person, people, especially kids and the elderly, are more likely to trust and engage with it. So yeah, the future might look like a robot nanny who can tell when you're feeling down, crack a joke, and hand you a snack. Creepy or cool? Depends on your vibe. But one thing's clear. Robots are learning to fake it till they make it human. The future isn't coming, it's already here. These humanoid robots are more than metal and code. They're the start of a new era. Whether they're helping in factories, chatting in living rooms, or learning human emotions, robots are blending into everyday life faster than we ever expected. Which robot blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech breakdowns. We're just getting started.